Whoa. No way. It's in already. Oh yeah.
So it's here. All right, so hi guys, this is Droso, and we're gonna be doing a open box review of the Boostit Plus. So the Boostit Plus is a electric skateboard that is basically one step below the Boostit Stealth. It goes up to 22 miles an hour. Crazy, right? Crazy. So I'm gonna be unboxing it, kind of breaking it down as I go through it, and yeah guys, let's get started. Cool. So it's pretty nice packaging. They kind of had like this whole Apple look to them, you know, very clean, very minimal, very sexy, man. Seriously, shout out to Boostit. They did a good job with the packaging. Okay, so let's open it. Accessory box. Got your menu. And we got the wireless remote. Really neat. Like, feels good. Feels good. Definitely good grip, good size. Really tricked out. Yeah. Got appears to be tools. We got charging block. Power cord. Alright, so I guess right here. Boom. How complicated was that? Another tool piece. This is black package. USB charger plug. All right, so grab the power button and you hold down the button until it turns on. That lets you know that we're good to go. Power button. All right, look at that. So you have to hold the trigger and then you hit whichever direction. That's pretty player. All right, see how this goes.
I'm kind of want to work my balance and work my way up to like the next level. There's no need to like just get crazy and just step up, because it could be dangerous if you're not safe. Another thing, the streets aren't as dry as we would like it to, but so far it's been able to have a good experience riding it. It's an empty parking lot. I do a couple more test runs, and yeah.